How's finals week treating us?
Finals week has got me a little stressed. My hardest class right now definitely is human physiology.
Human physiology.
Gross anatomy and human physiology.
My stress level is
Like on a scale of 1 to 10?
Stress level's at about an 11.
11.
13.
Off the chart.
I am really looking forward to Christmas break.
Christmas break is going to be really nice to just de-stress and have some time not to think about schoolwork.
I get to see my family, my dogs.
I have 2 dogs. I miss my dogs. They have pet therapy here though, so that's nice.
I have a 1-year-old Australian Shepherd mix back home. That was my pre-graduation present, so I'm really excited to see her. I miss her a lot.
Okay, we have a little surprise.
Oh my god!
Right on.
Oh my god, those are puppies. Hi. I'm gonna cry.
I may cry.
I'm gonna cry. Look at him.
This is like the greatest day ever.
Do we get to keep these?
There's more. Oh my god, there's another one.
They came in with Santa hats too.
Oh my goodness, there's more!
Just keep coming. I have a magical door.
You get to go. You get to go.
There's another one.
Why does she get 2?
Hi.
He has such luxurious hair.
This little guy keeps like chewing on my finger.
My stress level.
I don't care.
There's more to life.
I'm good. I have a presentation like in an hour. I'm chilling now.
I did not expect that either.
Okay, so pop quiz, if you had to name them, what would you name them?
Memorial.
He looks like a Humphrey.
Oh, it's okay.
You guys are awesome. This made my whole day. It sounds so bad, but I hate puppies because they're not potty trained and they usually smell, but oh my goodness, these are so clean.
I hope it pees on you.